Today I want to talk about using the different tile view options in Google Meet. In the past we had used the grid view extension to get that type of view when hosting your classroom sessions. However, Google has heard our calls loud and clear, and they have implemented a similar feature built in naturally into Google Meets. So to do this, we are going to join a meeting. And as you see, it's up and running. I'm the only participant, but the principals are still the same. Go ahead and hit the three dots in the lower right hand corner, and you will go to change layout. From there you can choose the tiled view, and then here at the bottom where it says tiles, you have a little sliding grid that lets you choose how many tiles you want to have at the same time on your screen, and that number does go all the way up to 49. So if you have a class of 15 or 16, you can do 16, you can do 30. It gives you a little bit of flexibility there to kind of see everybody in your class at the same time. And that is how you can use Google to naturally select how many people you see on screen at the same time. Thank you for watching.